Hello friends, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new here, welcome to the tribe. On this channel, we learn to speak English the fun way. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to ask for a bill at the cafe or a restaurant. We'll learn the difference between waiter and server, and
we'll see the giveaway prize you can win. So watch this video to the end.
Imagine the situation. You have finished your meal and want to pay. What do you do? Can you think of some other ways?
Give me the bill!
That's not a very good idea.
No.
Take this quiz to find out.
Okay.
To pay your bill at the restaurant, you can say, "Could I have the check, please?" We'll take the check. "Can I pay, please?" "I'm ready for my bill." "I would like my check, please."
Could I have the check, please? I'm ready for my bill. We'll take the check. Can I pay, please? I would like my check. Can I pay, please?
In fact, all of these phrases are correct. You can use any of them to ask for the bill.
Okay, but there is the bill and the check. What's the difference?
I am glad you have noticed. Some of us pay the bill, others pay the check.
Really? How come?
Just kidding. It's the same. Check is American English. The bill is used in the United Kingdom, Canada, and most other English-speaking countries. Put the words in the right order to make a sentence.
Have my bill, please, May we have the bill, please?
Great job! Here is a formula you can use when you are ready to pay at the restaurant. What did you write?
Could I pay the check, please? Can we have the bill, please? May I pay the check, please?
Well done! What if you forget how to say it, or you're in a country where they don't speak English? No, that's not very nice. If your server is across the room and you want to signal for the check without shouting across the restaurant, you can make a check mark gesture in the air with your index finger.
Like this?
Yes. If it's a familiar restaurant where they know you, you can just put your debit card on the edge of the table. The server will then walk by, show you the check, then grab the card and walk away. All without either of you having to say a word.
You don't have to speak at all. That's great. We don't need to learn how to say it.
Be careful. Sometimes it is important to be able to explain in order to avoid misunderstanding.
Okay.
Another way to show that you are ready to pay without speaking. If you see a waiter, make extended eye contact with him, perhaps making a writing a check gesture. Or simply catch the staff's eye and silently pronounce check.
Is there a difference between a server and a waiter?
That's a good question. In fact, there is no substantial difference. Server is a gender-neutral word. Choose the one you like and use it.
Server, waiter. I like both.
For the most curious of you, I'll give some food for thought. In the US, one might pay a check with a bill. In the UK, one might pay a bill with a check.
Can you explain the difference in the comments?
And here is the prize of our secret giveaway, a collection of these figurines. These are cockroaches. A famous animation movie, a French one. Do you know this animation movie? Have you seen it?
Wow! What do I have to do?
You need to watch this video here and write down the recipe of Tart Tatin in the comments of this video here or this video you are watching right now.
Great! I can't wait! And remember, each time you're watching one of our videos or do a task like this, you are progressing.
You are doing a great job. Thanks for being with us. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!
А завтра я сбегаю. Ладно, как инвалид. Мам, на стуле слишком сильно не крутись, потому что когда крутишь, это